Hello guys, this is another video. I haven't made one in a while. Sorry about that, but there's a special reason. I actually got already a glimpse, but I might make it the thumbnail. But I got something very special and I wanted you guys to see, so look at this. I got a dog. I kinda need the light on to see him. I got a dog. I'm gonna wait for him to finish eating and then I'm gonna pick him up and show you. I'm very happy I got a dog. I've had him for 2 weeks. Well, yeah, I've had him for 2 weeks and two days. He is 2 months old, and he is a Morkie. He's a Maltese and a Yorkie mixed. It's actually 10 o'clock right now. Okay. He's been okay with the potty training. Well, not the best. He's had a few accidents here and there. About maybe 10 accidents so far. Which is okay. We still have to get used. He still has to get used to like the stuff. But if you ever think about getting a Maltese or getting a Yorkie or just getting a Morkie, like my dog here, they like to bite on a lot of stuff. So what we got was, since he bites on a lot of stuff, we got this. So let's say, like, for sometimes he'll come over here to the very bottom and he'll bite on the curtains. Also, what my Nana did, which was I thought smart, if you can see right there, there's actually like little pieces of cardboard because that's where the wires are to go to the TV. And he has all of his little toys in here and stuff, and his bed. But he also has his own cage to sleep in at nighttime. And we got him from Just Puppies, which is in Rockville. He's been eating for a while. Oh, and by the way, his name is Shadow. He's just eating. I'm gonna zoom up on him. Little cute face. He's supposed to get up to about 10 pounds, right? 10 to 12 pounds. He's gonna have to, we just took him out, he's got to do something later on. He's just sitting there eating.
Still didn't poop yet?
Huh?
You still didn't poop yet?
Nope. Okay. There's nothing left.
Well, that's his last bit of food. Finish his medicine.
Okay, come here.
Finish his last.
Come here.
His belly.
Okay.
Did you hear that?
He has his guts going.
Jeez, that was loud.
He ate a whole bowl in
That was
less than
loud.
5 minutes.
Yeah, some of it probably could be medicine or whatever too.
Cute face.
I need to get ready for bed. He just went pee like 2 minutes ago. You might want to give him a few minutes.
Alright.
He's very friendly too.
Come on, Nicholas.
Okay. Bye guys. I might show a video of him tomorrow.